Good morning, everyone. This is Daphne with Phoenix Rising Healing, and today I'm doing my second video of my series called TuneUps and Tarot. I've already pulled a couple of cards for the sake of keeping the session short, but this video, so the cards that came out were Ace of Wands and Five of Wands, and this video is probably for those people who might be having trouble with pursuing something new, whether that be something creative or wanting to start a new career or maybe start a business or just starting something that might give you a sense of security or create a new foundation, give you stability, anything of that nature. And there's maybe some conflict around you, whether that might be with other people or getting yourself out there, being honest. Maybe there are people who disagree with what you're doing and it's hard for you to pursue it because of that reason, because it's maybe lowering your self-esteem, or the people who disagree with you are people that are important to you or whose opinions matter to you. So this video, I guess, is going to try to help release some of that blockage for those people. And so prior to the video, I used my weighted forks to help with grounding. When you activate them, see they're vibrating there. When you activate them, they don't make a sound like the other ones do, but you can put them on the body. As you see, I have a rose quartz boot here. You can put them on the body and it elicits a calming relaxation type feeling. And it can also help to move the energy quicker because that crystal's on there, amplifying the frequency. But yeah, so I use those to help with the grounding process to save time. And I'll just go ahead and work with the pendulum now to determine what chakra we're going to work on. This is my favorite part, so I wanted to include it in the video. But you can go ahead and skip forward if you don't want to watch it. Circle at the feet, circle at the knees, circle at the root, and we're getting a line at the sacral chakra, and we're getting a circle at the solar plexus, we're getting a circle at the heart. Feels like we're starting to get a line at the throat there. See, it's moving. Yeah. Okay. Circle for third eye. And circle for crown. So, you know, I will just do a short sweep of both sides. Maybe that's what people are needing today. So, remember throughout the session, just go ahead, close your eyes, relax and breathe. I have mentioned before that I recommend you lying down, but you can be going about your day doing things, driving, cooking, sitting. I also recommend headphones as well, but if you are not in a situation when you can use that, that's totally fine. It will still, the intention is to work for anyone that needs it, so it's okay. We'll go ahead and get started, and I'll start off with the sacral chakra. And I found the edge right here. Oh, I almost forgot. We'll put that there as markers. By the way, if you're new to Biofield Tuning and you haven't seen my session before, the idea is that you're going to project your image. Kind of imagine that you're lying here on this paper, shrink your body to this size, and imagine you're lying here so that we can kind of picture me working on you as if this was your body here and you are receiving this directly one-on-one. Everybody take nice deep breaths to help the energy flow. Now we're integrating the energy, and I'm about to column it up. By the way, so I'm working on the left side of the sacral chakra, and that has to do with, that can do with frustration and disappointment. So that would make sense for anyone who, you know, wishes that they had the support of their loved ones, and aren't getting it, or wanting to pursue something new and for some reason being held back. So please, everybody, take a deep breath for you and for everyone else. I'm just going to use these weighted forks here, just because it's not giving me the tone that I'm looking for. So I'm using the weighted forks to, I guess, be more effective with the frequencies. That's better. Slightly. I'm using a crystal in the field, by the way. Where's the video? Here. Isn't that lovely? It's called an ice quartz. That's way better. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to move to the other side of the sacral chakra. Found the edge right here. By the way, the right side sacral chakra area has to do with guilt and shame. So, in this situation, perhaps it could be like not living up to others' expectations, maybe, or feeling bad about that. Those of you who might be considering leaving like careers, long-term careers, maybe you're scared or you feel bad about what other people think of you. But perhaps it's not about careers at all. Perhaps it's just a fresh new start, a new relationship. Maybe you feel bad about what your kids think or what your family thinks or what somebody thinks out there. But you have to remember that you deserve happiness and no one else is responsible for it. And you're not responsible for anyone else's happiness either. So don't dull your sparkle. Do what it is that makes you feel like you shine. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now moving on to the throat chakra. I was hoping that this video was going to be shorter than 10 minutes, but I guess today the collective needed 2 chakras to be worked on, so hopefully next time I can keep it under 10. But here we go. Throat chakra. The left side throat chakra is about, here's the edge, the things that we choose to not say or express, maybe out of fear, maybe out of not wanting to create conflict. Ooh, that was nice and loud. Maybe a lot of you resonated with that. But today, I want to help you to release the inhibitions that you have about speaking your truth. Because when we choose to hide how we really feel about things, I feel like it kind of takes away from you, you know, like you don't really get to be who you really are. And I think that those who hide it feel it the most. Maybe it's like not gonna kill you or anything, but it's dulling and it's life-sucking. And I just hope that all of you are able to find your voice. Everyone go ahead and take a deep breath, please. And I know speaking your truth can be very hard to do. I'm getting that some of you maybe are afraid because maybe it's a long time that you've held your thoughts and feelings in, and you're afraid of the change. But I guess you can think of it like maybe there's going to be this little blip of time where things might be awkward and difficult, but at least you get to live out the rest of your life the way you want to. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, I'll try to make this quick, but I have to do with the collective needs. We're moving on to the right side throat chakra, and this has to do with speaking, being able to speak, but nobody's listening to you, or people aren't understanding. Which, yes, could be very annoying. Can also be insulting to your knowledge. Whew, some of you agreed with me there. Insulting to your knowledge and the things that you feel like you understand, but for some reason people don't give you that credit. I've definitely felt that in my life. But have the strength to speak your truth anyway, regardless of what anyone says. I'm not using my mic, by the way, so I hope that you guys can hear me. But yeah, speak your truth anyway. Because even if not everybody that you want to be listening to you is going to listen, there will be someone out there that's listening. Someone out there who could use your gifts, or someone out there who could use your wisdom and knowledge, advice, talent, skills, whatever it may be. Very nice and clear. Alright, everyone. I'm just gonna do a little quick wrap up here. This is what we do typically in in-person sessions to close up. And then a little cocoon to wrap up that good energy. Awesome. Alright, everybody. Well, that is today's TuneUp and Tarot session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment your feedback, share it so that other people can experience healing. Like my page on Facebook, Phoenix Rising Healing 12. Message me, whatever it is that you feel like you have to say, please feel free to share it. Yes, have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye-bye.